Becoming a finance major, I was very interested in how the financial markets work. More than anything, I think I really love the idea of understanding all the different asset classes, how they intermingle with each other.
The approach seemed to make a lot of sense to me. And at the time, I really didn't have any sense of, a business degree, I knew about buying and selling stocks, but I didn't really understand how the markets for them worked.
It's a company that is kind of creating a bridge to the markets that regular people just don't have.
Those students are just a few of more than 500,000 people who have taken the first step toward owning their financial future by attending Online Trading Academy's free introductory class. And many of these people have gone on to take advanced classes to learn how to trade stocks, options, forex, futures, and even cryptocurrency. Hi, I'm Lisa Colabar.
And I'm Todd Davis, and we'd like to be the first to welcome you to Online Trading Academy. At Online Trading Academy, we equip our students with the rules, tools, and skills they need to develop sound trading and investing know-how, supported by a solid foundation of risk management. The rules are based on our proprietary 6-step core strategy, along with our unique trade scoring methodology. Core strategy helps identify where large banks and institutions are buying and selling in the market. The tools we provide our students include Click, our one-of-a-kind trading, education, and analysis platform. You see, Click helps students and investors follow a rules-based process to find and analyze investing opportunities.
Come with me for a peek inside one of our free introductory classes to learn a little bit more about OTA's core strategy.
Now, when we're talking about strategies, we also like to classify them or categorize them in specific buckets. Retirement being that long-term side of things, really classify this as that wealth bucket. Really all this talks about is really the type of account we're doing this in, or even the style of trading, short-term versus long-term. I want to ask you guys a quick question. What do you think right now is the situation in America? The average individual, do you believe that they are on track for retirement, or do you believe that they are behind in their preparation for retirement? What do you guys think? Behind, right? And the experts actually shared this data with us a little while ago, got it off of a report, and they say that at age 30, if you're on track, that means you would have 1 year of your annual salary saved. By the time you hit age 60, you need to have 8 years of your annual salary saved to be on track. And when we hit that age 67, which in their model is where they had us retiring, we have to have 10 years of our annual salary saved in order to be on track for retirement. Yeah, right? And so we're here, we've identified this. If we've identified that we're behind, we need to take some action, right? And every day time goes by, so we lose that opportunity. Procrastinators love to say, oh, I'll do this tomorrow, I've got all the time in the world. When in reality, every day we lose that opportunity. There's 3 things that we see individuals out there doing, very, very common, right? Number 1, ostrich strategy. Bury our head in the sand, hope for the best. Right? Number 2 is something that friends and advisors will even, commonly talk about, and they'll say, downgrade your lifestyle. They'll say, spend less, save more. And then the third one is raising that financial IQ, right? Raising your skill set in trading and investing to help close that gap. I want to congratulate you on selecting option number 3, right? Option number 3, and investing your time into raising those skills and those tactics inside of the financial markets. Now, in America, the classic retirement account is called the 401k, right? That's the most common retirement account out there. Now, what is our main investment vehicle inside of the 401k?
Mutual funds.
Yeah, exactly. It's mutual funds. Now, inside of a mutual fund, there's, it has its own performance, right? Each individual mutual fund, and there's tons of them out there. But did you know that over the last 20 years, about 80% of the managed funds actually have underperformed the market average, meaning they've underperformed the S&P 500, okay? One of the other things that I need to share with you about 401ks is the fee structure inside of them. Now, how many of you guys get excited about talking about fees? Oh yeah, we were hoping we could spend time on fees. And it's usually not the most exciting part of trading and investing, but it's something that we need to stay on top of, and I'll give you an example why. Does anybody know how much the average household in America pays in 401k fees during their investing lifetime? It's roughly $130,000. That ends up being a retirement changing amount of money for the average household. So when you start hearing things like that, though, it's important to remember we're never going to just eliminate fees. That's not realistic. But now hearing that big number, oh, maybe I should stay on top of these and at least manage them. Number one, make sure they're appropriate for our goals and make sure they're appropriate for the investments that we have inside of there. Now, one of the things, just hearing all this with the fee structures, understanding the underperformance of so many managed funds out there, it won't come as a shock to you, I assume. We did a survey with Online Trading Academy students, and the respondents, roughly 70% of them wished they would have started their education sooner. Because again, it's that time element. No matter how old we are or how young we are, time is actually never on our side. Now, I want to spend some time going through a specific retirement account type strategy. It utilizes options, and it's called the covered call. Let's get started.
You've spent a lot of time mastering life skills that have propelled you forward and provided income for you and your family. But ask yourself this, which is working harder, you or your money? Now, just imagine your life if you felt more confident about making investment decisions and knew that your money was working for you. Online Trading Academy's free introductory class will begin to show you how to approach investing with confidence, with timely topics such as the secrets that Wall Street doesn't want everyday investors to know, the major advantages that average investors have over the big banks and institutions, common mistakes novice investors make and how to minimize them, our step-by-step rules-based strategy for trading any asset in any market, and how you can time the market and take advantage of volatility. Call the number on screen and start learning now. We'll start sending you weekly stock picks with no obligation. Plus, you'll get instant access to 4 mini lessons. Reserve your spot in our free introductory class, and you'll receive our financial quick start kit, including the mini lessons, the stock picks, and complimentary access to Click, our one-of-a-kind education, analysis, and trading tool. Experience the ultimate integration of our market strategy with built-in tools to help you manage risk and make more informed decisions. Approach your future with confidence and take that first step forward. Reserve your spot in a free introductory class near you by calling the number on your screen now or visiting our website. Now is the time. Now is your time. Call today.